Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sake Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report and block someone on your Xbox Series X. So you can press the Xbox button, open the screen up, and then tab on over to people. Now you have to find the person that you want to go ahead and report and block. So this could be someone on your friends list or someone you recently played with. So we can go on down to recently played with right here and select it. And then locate the person's name. So we can go to this person right here. Scroll on down to where it says report or block, and we have the option to report. So player name, cheating, player picture, voice communication, unsporting behavior, quitting early. If someone is in immediate danger, call local emergency services. Don't wait. Then we can go on down to report and block, and we can completely block the person right there. So once you block them, you won't be able to see them pop up anymore. And they will be muted, so you won't be able to hear their name as well. So if you want to unblock them, you just come back to their profile and simply go to unblock right here, and they will be unmuted as well. So you always have the option to report or block someone you played with. Now you can go to find someone right here, and you can specifically search for their name. So let's type in hi to see if someone comes up. We got all these people right here. And then we can just do the same thing. Otherwise, you can go to your friends list and go to someone on here as well. So let's select one of these people, Timbo Slice. And we got report and block. Same options. Or you can ban from a club. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Sake Studios.